Alrighty, here's Ava Ruth, and she's 2 months old, and we're doing some tummy time, working on our muscles. There you go, Ava. What are you seeing? Your blocks? Are you playing with your blocks? There it is. Look at these muscles go. There she is, with a full view. 2 months old. She's getting pretty long. Getting pretty long. Ava, can you do your push-up? Switch your head. Here we go. Doing, no, almost. Look at these muscles go. Oh, we almost flipped the head. See if I can come around here. Ava, what a good job you're doing. Look at those muscles. Get your head flipped. Can you get your head flipped? Alright, well anyway, that's us working on our muscles. Maybe next time we'll have some more to show you. Alright. Bye everybody. Oh, wait, there we go. We flipped our head. See if we can get a face shot. Alright, anyway, alright. Bye for now.